Alright guys, welcome back. It's Kyle with Avion Imagery. Today we've got a twofer. We got to stop in Dayton and then we're going to be heading up to Troy. Let's get after it. So today's exciting. As you can see, we are at the Challenger Learning Center and we're going to do some space stuff. Check it out. All right, so we're all done at the Challenger Learning Center. Next stop is Troy. We're gonna be shooting a parcel of land that will soon be a subdivision. So we are on site here. We found a place to park. Let's go ahead and get set up. We are actually doing this job for a partner of ours, another drone service, and Joe is down in Florida, needed somebody to cover this shoot, so I was happy to help out. It's good for him and good for us. Joe had some specific requests regarding flight parameters and the camera, so we're going to be using an ND8 filter and flying at 200 feet as well as 375 feet to capture cardinal directions of this subdivision, or soon to be subdivision. And this is a PSA. It took me a long time to invest in a remote strap or lanyard. If you haven't done it, you need to do it. I charged my drone batteries last night, however, I forgot to charge my remote. So luckily we are prepared. We've got a 100-watt charger here. We're just gonna hook it up and we will charge while we fly. We have liftoff. Alright, so we got about 30% battery. We got some decent wind today, 10-15 mile an hour gusts. So we're gonna bring it home, swap batteries. We'll finish up on our 200-foot altitude and then we'll go back for 375. There we have it. Round two, here we go. Back into sport mode. Up to 200 feet. Definitely got some heavy weather off today. That's a good looking shot right there. Today we are flying the Mini 3 Pro. I should have brought the Mavic 3 Enterprise for this job, but I just wasn't thinking. Typically the Mini 3 is what we use for photography projects, but with the size and the range required for this project, I here flying the Mavic 3 Enterprise. Note to self. Alright, so we've got about 4 shots left to go here. We got 60% battery, but I don't want to play around much, so if we get to that 30% battery, we'll bring it home, we'll swap batteries, and we'll go back up to what we need to. Alright, cool. That's everything we need for this one, quick and painless. There we go. I've learned it's good to review your photos on site, so we're going to take a look and make sure we got everything we need. We're good to go. Let's pack it up. Alright, so you notice I didn't put my remote in the bag since it's already on the charger. We're going to leave it there and let it charge on the ride home. Liquid Death, one of my favorites here lately. Not a sponsor of the video, but who knows, maybe someday they will be. I've got one more job pending in Xenia, which is a little bit out of the way. Alright, so yeah, this is about 44 minutes to Xenia from where we're at. It's pretty far southeast. Xenia is about 40 minutes from home base. So 6 of one, half a dozen of another. Haven't heard back to confirm that job's ready to shoot. So we'll head home. We'll do some editing today, and that'll be that. We'll head up to Xenia on another run. Well, with all that, this is the part where I say thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll catch you on the next one.